Hello from Tiverton Bead and Wool Shop, and welcome to our little new product videos, where we will try to introduce you with all our new arrivals, and not in a one video though. There will be a lot of small short videos for each product. So, but this time we would like to introduce you with our new arrival, which is a new book. And we've been waiting for this book for a while, but finally it's here, and it's a second leg or second part. No, it's not a part, but it's continuation in a series from Isager yarns, and a series are basically combination of recipes and knitting patterns. And the first book, which we still have, but it's not many copies left, was Eat and Knit book, and it was all about Marianne Isager patterns. All in this book is all jumpers and nice recipes, but today I would like to show you the new book, and this one just arrived like less than 24 hours ago, and I'm already knitting one piece of this, but that will be a different video. So there is the new book, which is a Knitting Needles and Chopsticks. In this book we have mostly accessories and shawls, hats and scarves, and we have a Japanese cuisine. That's why the chopstick part. And it's designed again by Marianne Isager, and the chef is Rahbek Hansen. I hope I pronounce it correctly, and I will not even try to pronounce the Japanese dishes. But as you mostly will be buying this book as a knitter with a little bit of entertainment, I think, or maybe you will be buying as a present for somebody, I would like to just show you through the patterns. The first thing is, I love the styling of the book. The beautiful big pictures. There's the first recipe, which actually I read through and I thought, like, that is something which I would like to do. It's barbecue skewers and all sorts. But there is the first pattern, which is called Osaka. And what I like about the book as well is, apparently this beautiful lady is the mother of the chef. So they're using family to actually show the designs. So it's not like a high fashion magazine where we have all the pretty girls. We have actually sensible, real people showing off their knitwear. And this is the chef in a scarf, which is again the second design in a book. I have started knitting this one, actually this cowl, and then we have section noodles and light and airy scarves or shawls. So we are not going to, I'm not going to show you the noodle recipes, but I would like to show you this shawl. And next one is this one from the book cover, and there we go. Casseroles and knitting requiring time. So there we have the recipes. Oh, there, this one is something which I really like, this shawl or scarf, but it's done in a technique which is called double knitting, and I have never done it, but I really fancy. It's like you're creating like two sides of the knitting in the same time. There's another one. I just love the styles, I love the ideas. Oh, and then we are on to sushi, and where are we? I lost my space. I'm not showing you the sushi, but there is again a beautiful lacy shawl. And oh, there's another one. When the shawl becomes a scarf, when is a scarf becomes a shawl? And there is tempura and warm scarves section. There is again, finally there are designs for men. I know sometimes in the shop it's difficult because the same scarf can be applied for the man and the woman. Is just maybe changing a little bit of color scheme to find the right one for the person. Oh, and there's the hat. And last but not least is another shawl. My fingers are so cold. In the shop is cold. And I will show you better this page because I can't open another one. And there is a lovely, lovely shawl. All these patterns use Isager yarns. They use combination as always, and they add kid silk to all sorts of yarns. So it's always a combination of, but there is something for everybody. And I think this one is one of the loveliest books I have seen lately, and I would definitely be happy myself to receive it as a present for Mother's Day or Christmas or whenever. But so this one is available, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, below in the comments I will put links to our blog where I will try to put information about patterns and what yarns which pattern uses. So thank you very much for watching, and see you all soon.